Hi everyone, today we're making banana ice cream. So the reason that I chose to make banana ice cream is, first of all, we're gonna be trying it together. I've never made it before, but it sounds like a healthy way to make a super cool and yummy treat, especially now that it's starting to get a little bit more hot. And I also can't really eat ice cream because I am lactose intolerant, and so I wanted to try to make something that was gonna work for me. So the first thing that you need is you're gonna need a blender, and then before all of this you do have to freeze some bananas. So I love freezing bananas because I use them for smoothies, and so I had bananas already frozen, but you would want to freeze your bananas at least 6 hours before you're gonna make this, or even a day before. I would use really ripe bananas, so sometimes I buy too many bananas that I'm not able to eat at one time, and so then they start getting brown and they're not as good to eat because they're kind of too mushy, but they're perfect for smoothies and banana ice cream and making cakes and things like that. So you're gonna need about 3 of these. So I'm gonna do, I already put about 2 in here. This is my 3rd banana, so I have 3 bananas in here, and I'm gonna put that in our blender. So put that in our blender, and if you can cut them even smaller than these were meant for smoothies, but if you can cut them a little smaller, like coins, that'd be awesome. And then we're gonna need some vanilla extract because we're making banana vanilla ice cream, or vanilla banana ice cream. So for this, I didn't bring my measuring spoon, but I would put about a teaspoon. It's up to you how much taste you want in there for the vanilla. I think that's good, and it kind of gives it that vanilla ice cream flavor. And then we are going to need to add some milk into this, but it's up to you what kind of milk. If you, whatever type of milk you have at home should work. I drink either coconut milk or almond milk, and so that's what I have, but you can definitely use whatever you have. I'm gonna put 1/4 of a cup of milk, and so I'm gonna choose, I guess I will do, I have 1/4 of a cup here. I'm gonna do about half of the 1/4, so an 1/8 with almond milk, and then to finish off my 1/4 of a cup, I'll add coconut milk. So I'm gonna add a little bit of both. But in total, you want 1/4 of a cup. So dripping. Okay. And then that's pretty much it. That's all you need. You don't even have to add vanilla. It could just be banana and it'd be delicious. So now we are going to cover our top, and you can use a blender, a food processor, cover, and now we're gonna blend. So I added about 1/4 of a cup more of milk, just because it was a little too, maybe it might have been too much banana. So I'm gonna try this again, and I'm gonna pulse it this time. Off so that no accidental presses of buttons happen, and look at that, the consistency of that. That should be, let me just work real quick. That looks to me like everything's pretty much blended. And so now it's kind of the consistency of soft serve. So I'm gonna put that in my bowl, and we're gonna freeze it for about 30 minutes. If you have some plastic wrap, you can put some plastic wrap on top before freezing it, just so that it keeps a shape, but it's not totally necessary. And into my freezer it goes for 30 minutes. So it's been about an hour and a half since I made my ice cream. I let it cool for a long time, but even when I checked on it at 30 minutes, it seemed like it was good to go. But we're gonna check on it now and see how it's doing. All right. Ooh. So I'm gonna take off the plastic wrap, and I'm gonna grab a spoon really quickly. And it looks so good. It's basically the consistency of ice cream, It's frozen, and you can always add your favorite toppings like, you know, chocolate syrup or sprinkles, or even just eat it with more fruit, and that would be really good and probably more healthy. I'm gonna give it a quick taste until it's so good. I didn't need sugar, it's perfect. So I hope you try this at home. Enjoy.